Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and again, if you've been following our channel and been watching our episodes, I want to say thank you, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. So in this episode, we'll talk about the opinions of other people and a couple of misconceptions about working in the BPO industry. Now, this is not specific to being a call center agent, because sa ibang tao na hindi naiintindihan ang BPO or ang call center industry, basta they just assume na as long as you work at night, you're a call center agent, regardless if you're an IT, QA, a team leader, or a plain call center agent. Sometimes pumapasok dito yung stereotyping, because kapag nagtatrabaho ka sa gabi, the assumption is you're a call center agent. But the point of this video is to make sure that we straighten things out, especially yung mga maling impression ng mga tao about the BPO and the call center industry. So stick around guys until the end of this video. We will explain to you what the people's opinion are, and we'll tell you why they are dead wrong. So stick around, and our explanations are coming up right next. So welcome back. Now you may be asking, what's the point of the entire video? I mean, we don't have to explain ourselves, because yeah, that's true. Hindi naman natin kailangan magpaliwanag sa mga tao. But there are some people who do not understand and napapaniwala sila sa mga maling misconceptions. DOLE, that's the Department of Labor and Employment, said that there's about 1 million or roughly 5 million people who are Filipinos who are about to lose their job. And the BPO industry is opening its doors to a lot of them. And this video is made for those people na hindi pa naiintindihan ng BPO industry, and to those people na pinipigilan ng mga parents nila dahil because the call center industry is this, call center agents are like that. So this video is made for you, so you can make an informed decision if you think that the BPO industry is indeed for you. So what are the common misconceptions and stereotyping that call center agents get? Here they are. Okay, so number one on our list is it's a no-brainer job. Now, it's really tiring na marinig yung ganitong mga reasons, and we all know it's not true. But I can understand the opinion of other people because it is a repetitive work. But if you look around, what is not, right? Every job, I guess, is repetitive. But in the call center industry, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. We're not gonna lie to you about it. If you're in the billing or customer service area, you'll probably take calls every 5 to 6 minutes. And chances are the concerns will be the same over and over again. And that's fine, because that's what the job is. It's only bad if you stay as a call center agent for a very long time. That's why companies do not just allow you to just stay on what you do and what you know. Some companies provide training, some companies provide an opportunity to move to a different place, to a different department, or to level up. It's really up to the person.
Yes! That's awesome!
Now, on the topic of it's a no-brainer, of course it's not, because it takes a lot of training and it takes a lot of experience to be really good at this job. A year won't be enough. 2 years maybe, yes, in some accounts, but it's not really that easy, especially on tech accounts that deals with internets and VoIP. There's always something brand new, there's always enough training. And whoever tells you that this is a no-brainer job, give them the finger. Ito on our list is pasosyal daw yung mga call center agent. Yes, it may be true, but to a very few people. One coffee may cost 150 pesos, but I doubt that anybody can do it every day. Do not deprive us of buying a coffee for 150 pesos in exchange for peace of mind, wherein we can sit down in a cafe for an hour or two without being asked to leave the premises. A place where we can talk and laugh with other people. Hindi yun pasosyal. It's just something that we needed. It's something that we wanted to do because not everyone is a drinker. Not everyone wants to get drunk. Now, what do we add to that? Call center agents loves going out, going to outings, but again, it's just a way to relax because we need it badly. You have to understand that this is a very stressful job, and that's something that you all need to know. BPO workers always try to find a way to relax, to loosen up, and to pamper ourselves. Ang mali dun is if you think that we're always spending money. No. Sometimes we just have the funds because we won a contest, because our team was on top and we got rewarded. Sometimes it's company sponsored, so do not make any assumptions at all. It's just wrong. Okay, so number 3 on our list is Englishero, ang mga call center agents, at in a way is mayayabang. But that's only because this is our only investment to be really good at this job. We need practice. It's the only thing that we need other than product knowledge to be really good at this job. Number 4 on our list is mabisyo ang mga call center agents, malakas magyosi, mahilig maginom. There was a time that yes, it was true. Now, I don't speak for everyone, but I've experienced it, and yes, there was a time when I was into it. There was a time when a lot of people were into it, but that has changed. Now, I'm not saying that there's nothing wrong with it, but there's just some people who prefer smoking rather than playing on their mobile phone for an hour while on lunch break. There are some people who prefer smoking and talking to people rather than eating. But it's not fair to say na yun lang ang ginagawa nila or sobrang chain smoker sila. Some of us just do it for pastime, including me. Okay, number 5 on our list is that cheaters daw or unfaithful ang mga tao sa mga BPO industry.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
So, my message to you guys is this. Okay, I'm sorry that was rude, but so seriously, it's something that's not unique to the BPO industry. It happens everywhere in the banking industry, finance, sales, minsan kahit sa tambay, or even to students. So it's not something that's unique to the BPO industry. Hindi kami magmamalinis. There are a lot of us that are guilty, including me. Pero it's not fair to stereotype people just because we're in the BPO industry. Ganun na kami. Now, why is this becoming an issue? Dahil may mga issues na nangyayari na kapag nag-out of town or nagti-team building, ang isang team is something happens when they are out of town having an overnight swimming. Now, I think we'll have to stop right there as far as that topic is concerned because again, it's not unique to us, and let's just treat that problem as something that's personal and unique to each and every one. If you have an issue with your partner, if you have problems, work it out. Okay, so we're last on our list. Now, let's drop all the negativity and doon naman tayo sa something positive. The last on our list is ni-stereotype tayo as someone na malaki ang sweldo. And yes, for most people, it is true. If you've been in the industry for 2 years now or more, you should be earning above 20,000 or between 20 to 22,000 a month. But 2 years being in this industry should be enough to catapult you to something bigger, something larger. And if you're not doing that, you are wasting time. Not just wasting time, you are wasting your money. So in our next video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get notified. We'll talk to you about how you can work as a back office support, which is what we call non-voice accounts. And bibigyan din namin kayo ng tips para mag-increase yung chances nyo to move from being a call center agent to a back office agent. There's a lot to talk about on that subject, so it's gonna be quite a long video. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified when that is out. So, what do you think, guys? Is this enough? Unfortunately, ito lang yung naiisip namin na common misconception and stereotyping among BPO workers. But if you can think of some, please leave a comment on the comment section and we'll read those. Who knows, we may feature those and give you a shout out on our next video. So, thank you guys. Do not forget to share this para alam ng lahat ng BPO aspirants na maraming misconception sa BPO industry at hindi sila dapat nakikinig sa mga tao kasi na walang first-hand information. So, thank you guys and we'll see you on our next video.